Windows with cracked exterior cladding, especially vinyl-clad wood windows, can seriously mess with your home's look and energy efficiency, so it's important to fix or replace that cladding before things get worse. Alright, so if you notice cracks or damage on your vinyl-clad wood windows, first thing, don't ignore it because water can sneak in and cause rot or mold. You want to check if the cladding is just surface level cracked or if the wood underneath is also affected. For small cracks, sometimes a good quality exterior caulk can seal it up and keep moisture out, but make sure the area is clean and dry before you apply anything. If the cladding is peeling or large chunks are missing, you might have to replace the entire cladding panel or even the window itself, depending on the damage. When replacing cladding, look for materials that match your home's style and offer good weather resistance to avoid future problems. Also, keep an eye on the window's seals and weather stripping. Damaged cladding often means these parts are worn out too. If you're not super handy, calling a pro who specializes in window repairs can save you from costly mistakes down the line. And finally, regular maintenance helps. Inspect your windows yearly so small cracks don't turn into big headaches. One of the biggest mistakes people make with cracked vinyl-clad wood windows is ignoring the problem, which leads to wood rot and expensive repairs. Fix this by acting as soon as you spot damage. Another common issue is using the wrong type of sealant or paint, causing the cladding to fail even faster. Always use products made for exterior vinyl cladding and follow manufacturer instructions carefully. Finally, some folks try to patch cracks without checking for underlying wood damage, so you end up sealing in mold or rot. The fix is to remove damaged cladding and inspect the wood before making repairs to keep your windows in good shape. BigHomeProjects.com is awesome for homeowners because it connects you with trusted local contractors who really know their stuff about window repairs and replacements. For contractors, it's a great way to find steady work and build a solid reputation in your area without all the hassle of searching for clients.